Dive into the heart of the Pacific with Hawaii's top cultural experiences. From the rhythmic dances of the hula to the ancient art of wayfinding, let's embark on a journey through the vibrant Polynesian culture. On Oahu's shores lies the Polynesian Cultural Center, a living museum spanning 42 acres. Here, explore villages representing Hawaii, Samoa, Fiji, and more. Witness artisans breathe life into traditional crafts and be captivated by performances that pulse with the spirit of the islands. In Honolulu, the Bishop Museum stands as a guardian of Polynesian heritage. Marvel at ancient Hawaiian weapons, royal feathered capes, and delve into interactive exhibits. Feel the past's heartbeat through artifacts that tell the story of the early Polynesian settlers. Each year, Hilo's Merrie Monarch Festival erupts in a celebration of Hula, honoring the Merrie Monarch King David Kalakaua. Experience the festival's electrifying hula competition, where dancers weave tales with every gesture against the backdrop of haunting chants. Set sail on a Hawaiian canoe voyage and master the stars as ancient navigators did. Join the crew of a traditional Polynesian voyaging canoe and learn the secrets of the sea, feeling the ancestral connection to the ocean's vast expanse. Across Hawaii's islands, cultural workshops beckon. Dance the hula, weave a lei, or strum the ukulele. Each class is a thread in the fabric of Polynesian culture, taught by those who cherish their heritage. Hawaii's cultural tapestry is rich and diverse, offering a deeper understanding of its people and traditions. Whether through dance, art, or the ancient wisdom of navigation, these 5 experiences promise an authentic immersion into Polynesian culture. Book with far and away adventures and weave your own story into the history of these enchanting islands.